Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this flawless everyday makeup look for your work from home, Zoom meetings, and etc. This look was inspired by Nailea Devora's look, and this was actually requested by one of the Boo fams, si Riza Aliviado. So if you want to achieve this look, then keep on watching. To achieve this flawless everyday makeup look, kailangan solid yung skin prep natin. Lalo na dahil stressed out tayo sa mga online work natin. First, for my skin prep routine, I like to exfoliate my lips first to remove any dead skin and para hindi maging wrinkly yung lips ko mamaya when I apply my lipstick. And the lip scrub that I'm using is from Detail Cosmetics, and I love this lip scrub so much because even though it is a scrub, it's still very gentle on my lips. Then I use my wet wipes to remove the excess product. To keep my lips moisturized, I use this petroleum jelly from Vaseline. To hydrate my skin, I'm using the Thayers Witch Hazel Toner, and this is in their Cucumber variant. Now, I love this toner so much because it really does hydrate my skin and hindi siya harsh na toner. That's why I keep on buying this again and again, although it can be a little bit pricey compared to other toners. And as you can see on the screen, I'm spritzing on the toner on my face. I repack it to a spray bottle so that I can easily spritz on the toner onto my face and para hindi sayang sa product, diba? I like to drench my skin with this toner para talaga ma-hydrate yung skin ko. And while waiting for the toner to be absorbed in my skin, I'm grabbing this roller from OHWELL PH. And what I do is naro-roll ko lang yung product on the palm of my hand and then slightly rub my hand and breathe in the aroma of this product. It's not an essential step for the makeup routine, to be honest, but it's just a nice way to calm your nerves so that you can release any tension that you have in your body, lalo na sa face mo, because of course you want to be glamorous, you want to be flawless, so we don't want any stress to linger in our body. Now that my skin has fully absorbed the Witch Hazel Toner, my skin is ready now for the final step, which is the serum from Pond's. This is the Pond's Age Miracle Ultimate Youth Essence Serum. Now, I used to have a lot of serums back when I was so obsessed in creating this long routine for my skin prep. Now, I relish the fact that I can simplify my skin prep routine with this product. Kasi instead of incorporating a lot of serums in my routine, I can just only use one product dahil yung serum na to contains 10 super ingredients for it to be nourished skin deep. And what I also like about this product ay napaka-affordable niya. Instead of buying like a niacinamide only serum or a retinol only serum na tig 1,000 pesos, this is only for 849 pesos and it contains 10 amazing ingredients in just one bottle. Personally, the favorite ingredients that I look for in any skincare product is retinol kasi kailangan talaga natin yan, lalo na that we're aging, we're combating with stress kasi this stimulates our collagen synthesis, so it helps slow down aging or any wrinkles that stress can bring. And it has niacinamide, which brightens and fades any dark spots that we have in our skin. And it also has triple hyaluronic acid, which is best friend talaga yan ng mga people with dry skin like me. And my fourth favorite ingredient is the activated collagen because this will make our stressed skin be more plump and elastic. So it will make our skin bouncier and hindi halata na stress tayo sa mga online work natin and etc. Compared to the other serums that I've tried, like for example sa The Ordinary niacinamide serum that I used before, I had a new pimple popping out every week. It was such a weird phenomenon for me and I thought my skin was just purging at that time, so I kept using it, but then I realized that that serum wasn't really compatible for my skin and was doing more damage than good. So I'm happy to have found a serum that has niacinamide in it, yet still very gentle. For my foundation, I'm pumping a few drops on my palette. And this foundation is from Squad Cosmetics. This is their You Can Face It liquid foundation in the shade Beige. Now, I'm applying a very small amounts of foundation on my skin because I really want my skin to shine. And I'm using the foundation lang to even out my skin color and cover any blemishes that I have. By using a small brush first, I am controlling the amount of foundation that goes onto my skin. Then I'm using this bigger buffing brush to blend out the foundation. For my kilay, I'm using this brow pencil na collaboration ng Ellana and Project Vanity, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with this brow pencil because some days I love the formula and some days I don't. I also am not a big fan of the spoolie of this brow pencil dahil napaka-soft ng bristles ng spoolie and it just doesn't do a good job compared to the other spoolies that I have tried. So overall, the product is okay lang. I don't really hate it and I don't really like it. Parang, it's okay. For my contour, I'm using the FS Cosmetics Liquid Foundation in the shade Cocoa. And I also pumped it onto my palette para I can mix it with the first foundation so that hindi gaano ka-dark yung contour on my face. Dahil yung look na to ay pang everyday makeup siya, I want the contour for this look to be softer and a lot more subtle. So that's the trick, guys. If you feel like the contour is too dark for your skin, just mix it with your foundation until you achieve the contour color that you want. To color correct my under eyes, I'm using the Vice Cosmetics Flawlezza Concealer in the shade So Pinay. Now, as you can see, yung shade na So Pinay ay meron talaga siyang strong peachy tone, so it's good to counter any dullness under eyes ko. And of course, to brighten up my skin, I'm using the same product but in a different shade. Now this time, this is in the shade Vice, and I like to apply small amounts on my under eye areas, on my forehead, and also the bridge of my nose, and also on the chin area to brighten it up and para ma-lift yung face ko lalo. To set my face, I'm using the Belo Translucent Powder. I love this powder dahil meron siyang sun protection, so napaka-helpful talaga for everyday use. For my contour, I'm using the contour shade from the EB Advanced Fig Trio palette. And I'm just lightly applying it on the sides of my face para hindi gaano ka-harsh yung contour. Sa look ni Nailea na sinend sa akin ni Riza, meron siyang highlight sa kanyang tear duct area. So that's why I'm using this highlighter from the same palette. Sa look ni Nailea, gumamit siya ng brown eyeliner to further lift her face. The product to achieve that is from Nichido. Ito yung eye pencil nila. And this is in the shade Hazelnut. So this is actually very affordable. I think ngayon naka-sale siya sa Shopee. It's only for 72 pesos. And it's such a great dupe, lalo na hindi na available yung soft brown liner sa kay Mama Ann and Vice. Nailea did not apply a liner on her tear duct area, but I'm still doing it because I want my eyes to look wider. Now I'm spraying on the Luxe Organics Beauty Mist by Mama Ann, and I'm applying a generous amount on my face, but just enough to melt away any powder that I applied on my skin. Kahit parang medyo madami ako in-apply on my skin, hindi pa rin nasira yung makeup look ko kasi napaka-fine talaga ng mist ng product na to. To make my lashes pop, I'm using my Holy Grail Ultimate Favorite Mascara, which is from L'Oreal Paris, and this is their Voluminous Lash Paradise. And I'm applying it on my upper lashes and also my lower lashes. Then I'm blushing up with Scout Beauty Sleek Stick in the shade Charitoo. Until now, I still don't know how to pronounce this shade name to get that sun-kissed effect. And for my lippy, first to line my lips, I'm using the EB Advanced Lip Define Matte Matic in the shade Neutral Mocha. Ito yung shade na ginamit ko for my lip liner dahil hindi siya gaano ka-dark. It will just give this soft shadow that will make our lips look plumper than it is. And to color the rest of my lips, I'm using the same lipstick that I used for my blush kanina. And finally, I'm adding a little bit of sheen with my Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. I'm applying a smidge of the Vaseline Petroleum on the center of my lips to make it look juicier. So that's it for this everyday makeup look. Nako, napakadami ng steps na ginawa natin just to achieve this look. But those steps are very essential, lalo na yung skin prep natin, para maging flawless tingnan yung everyday makeup natin. So I hope you guys do well on your work, stay calm, and remember, no hate, just love.